Welcome back, guys. I'm here with West Kiss hair again. You know West Kiss has great quality wigs, so I'm really excited for today's wig. I got this wig, which I'm excited to get into. We're gonna get into that in a few. Let's see the goodies that we got. I got this drawstring bag, which is branded. It's branded West Kiss. I also have a mirror that is branded. This is so handy. You could just throw this in your purse. I have an edge brush and comb, a bonnet, a pair of HD wig caps, and a elastic West Kiss headband. So that's everything in terms of the goodies. Let's get into this gorgeous wig. This is today's wig, guys. You see that color? This is perfect for the winter time. It's a beautiful brown. They call it cocoa. So yeah, it's a really nice curly textured wig that we're working with. This is like their pre-everything wig. It's number 4. That's the color, and it's a 5x5 lace closure, HD lace closure, 250% density, ready to wear, pre-everything, 16 inches curly wig. Yeah, I know that's a lot of details to soak in, but this wig is already pre-styled for you, and let me show you. You see these braids? It even have the swoop in there and everything, and as I said, this is HD lace, so it's pre-styled, it's pre-colored, it's pre-braided. You see that, which would still be regarded as pre-styled. It's, you know, pre-baby haired, it's pre-plucked, and it's pre-cut. All right, so, and it's also pre-bleached. All those things really add to how realistic this looks, and it's immaculate. Honestly, it is immaculate. So you can tell that it's bleached properly and everything. It has this adjustable elastic band. This is what really helps, you know, to make the wig stay really secure and able to be glueless. So that's how that is. It's a dome cap construction. A total of 3 combs are inside, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. All right, it's very simple and, you know, standard. It's done really neatly, and the hair is looking great. Like the construction, everything looks so good. I know this is perfect for my beginners, okay? And I'm so excited to go ahead and jump into this very quick and easy installation. West Kiss, one thing about West Kiss's wigs, they're always so full and fluffy wigs, and the quality, honestly, they always give good quality. So I'm really happy I can bring this to you guys today. Let's go ahead and do this quick and easy installation. Like, snugged. This is so snugged on my head, like, no man, like, I don't think you guys understand. Let me give a shake test before I go any further. It's not going anywhere. Like, wonder if you don't understand. I'm just gonna take the comb in the back to ensure that, you know, the back is laid on my head. Also, as I said, that is how it looks. It's going in the right direction for me, because I like to wear my side parts this way. The braids are done neatly. Like, the lace looks really good. I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder in the very front here. But like, yo, what? No man, them do them thing. They really did their thing. I'm gonna add another swoop right here just to match it right here. Jeez, this is so cute. Now I'm just so excited to get this wet. Ooh, to just have my curls a little bit more defined. This is so perfect for my beginners. Like, you see that you really don't have to do much. Like, I'm just being picky and extra. Like, honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead, you know, kind of add a little bit more gel to have this laying how I want it to lay. Yeah man, this is so undetectable. As I said, I'm just gonna let this side match this side. Like, I'm not doing too much. Still very glueless. Like no adhesive or anything is being added to keep this together. You guys saw once I went ahead and slipped it on, you saw how it was. So this is how it's looking. Ooh, if you wanted to wear this, like, you know, like in its dry state, I think it's bomb. Like if you're that girly like that loves your wig, let's use my natural hair on the side for sideburns. I'm just, you know guys, you know how I am, so I like to always conceal, add a little bit more powder. Just, well, I really don't even need it to that, but there's just a little teensy bit, like a little line. I'm not even sure you're seeing it. This wig is so perfect, like no joke. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of powder to conceal right there. And you know my thing that I love to do, I take the elastic band to further press the powder in so everything looks seamless. I'm gonna do, so I just pull back the hair out of my face for a little. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my powder and just tap on the very edge. I'm not taking a lot at all. And I think that's enough. The lace is really, really realistic and immaculate. Like, I love this. This is perfection. So I'm just gonna take the elastic band. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little, you know, light glam, like when I say so natural. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna spray this down with some water. So before I even pull the elastic band off, I'm just gonna, you know, refresh these curls with just water, because I want it to fluff back up with the same volume. And remember I said this is 16 inches, obviously when stretched. So that's a vibe. I'm gonna add just a tad bit of conditioner. It's like conditioner water to it. Now, you guys see this? Like, you see that lace? Wait a minute. Because you guys probably thought I added some glue or some spray. I didn't. I did not. I did not. Like, the people in wig is a 10. Whiskies, this wig is a 10. Okay, the volume, yo, 250% intensity, guys. It's definitely giving. Definitely giving. You know, I'm just fluffing it out. It's gonna dry, you know, with that nice volume. I love it, guys. Love. They did their thing with this. It's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Super easy, very to the point. If you don't have all the time to wear, like, this is giving. And it's so, it's applied. It's so easy to apply. Like, everything is at perfection. So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, guys, so please check it out. All the specifications will be listed down below once more. And yeah, go ahead, check that out. Any deals, anything available, that will be listed as well. Shout out to Weskis hair, because this, I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. And the brown, the chocolate, the cocoa brown color, definitely perfect for the winter time. I mean, I'm so pleased. That's it. That is it for today's wig look, guys. Let me know what you think. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. You guys know I give a lot of variety with different wig looks over here. And that's it for today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.